Well, fortunately, I finished this up before this jackhammer business started back up again. Yeah, I got this done while it was quiet. It's been noisy for so long. I actually forgot how wonderful it was to be in the quiet. Let me give a quick little talk about this one. This is my a Chinese desk dressing mirror, desk or tabletop dressing mirror. Underneath it, down here, it has a little, like a little two-drawer dresser, and it is hinged or on a little twister here so that you can pull the bottom of it in and out. Okay, and it's made of Taiwan oak, otherwise called hinoki. So there's a painting of me in the picture. In the left of the reflection, in front of it is etched glass, a flower. Up at the top right of the reflection is also a convex mirror insert that's reflecting back the same thing. In front of the mirror, on the lower right, is a magazine photograph of Little Richard. You know what? I only wanted to do this because of that noise, just as a sample. And then it was nice and quiet, so I started talking. And then I realized I was having to talk over it. Anyway, so behind me, in the reflection, is a large painting that my dad did. And then beyond the mirror, in the direction in which I am facing, which is west, is the view that I see out the window here when I'm sitting at my, sitting where I've been painting, which is at a nice coffee table. I'll give you a quick view of that. All right, there's out the window. There's that palm tree that I see. And down there in the lower left, here's this there little blue glass paperweight. And this is the painting that's behind me. But it's in reverse because it's reflected. Here's the back of the Chinese dressing table. It's quite old. Probably at least 100 years old. And there's the reflection behind me. There I am. And I did this. Here we go. I'm just fiddling around to see if I can get the same angle. I can't, but anyway, I did this from, oh yeah, it looks so different in there. It looks like it's farther away. Let me see if I can make it look. Kind of, that's about all I'm seeing. Well, anyway. So you see, I notice I wore a nice turtleneck so I didn't have to deal with my chicken neck. No, my turkey neck. Anyway, here's my little cabinet. That's more of what the view is with me in it right there. And then I just zoomed in. Whoops. With my eyes, not my camera. I'm lost here. Here we go. There. So I just simplified under there. So that's a little journal, and I've there's been some kind of noise going on somewhere outside the house of a building for quite a long time. It was real quiet during the pandemic. Remember that? All right. So here we are. And I am let me get back to